Win-win. A win-win situation means both sides benefit. For example, this agreement is a win-win for the company and the client. That means the company is happy, and the client is happy too. Think outside the box. This means to think creatively or find a new solution. For example, we need to think outside the box to solve this problem. You can use this phrase when you want someone to be creative. Going forward. It means from now on or in the future. For example, going forward, please send all reports by Friday. This means, starting now, reports should be sent every Friday. The phrase reach out means to contact someone. For example, I'll reach out to the manager for more details. This is a polite and professional way to say you will email, call, or message someone. Touch base. This means to talk briefly or check in with someone. For example, let's touch base tomorrow morning. This means let's have a short conversation tomorrow morning. Give 110%. The phrase give 110% means to work very hard and do your best. For example, our team gave 110% to finish the project. Of course, mathematically, 110% is more than 100%, but in business English, it simply means extra effort. Paradigm shift. This means a big change in the way people think or work. For example, remote work created a paradigm shift in office culture. This phrase is more formal and is often used in business discussions. At the end of the day. The phrase at the end of the day means ultimately or when everything is considered. For example, at the end of the day, we need to make the customer happy. This means the most important point is customer satisfaction. Raise the bar. This means to improve the standard or expectations. For example, this new product really raises the bar. That means the product is better than before and sets a higher standard. The ball is in your court. The phrase the ball is in your court means it is your turn to make a decision or take action. For example, I sent you the proposal, so now the ball is in your court. This means the next step depends on you. Synergy. The word synergy means teamwork that creates better results. For example, there is great synergy between the sales team and the marketing team. This means the teams work well together. Best of breed. The phrase best of breed means the best product, service, or system in its category. For example, we are looking for a best of breed software solution. This means the company wants the best available option. Take it to the next level. This phrase means to improve something or make it better. For example, we need to take our customer service to the next level. That means customer service is already good, but it needs to become even better. The bottom line. This means the main point or the final result. For example, the bottom line is that we need to reduce costs. This means the most important thing is reducing costs. Get the ball rolling. This means to start an activity, project, or discussion. For example, let's get the ball rolling by introducing the new project. This means let's begin the project by discussing it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more English tips.